Hi. Today we are going to see Lalitha Sahasranamam, Sloka 155, recitation and word by word meaning. Brahmani, Brahmajanani, bahurupa, budharchita, Prasavitri, prachandagyna, Prathishta, Prakata Krithi Brahmani Brahmajanani Bahurupa Budharchita Prasavitri Prachandagyna Prathishta Prakata Krithi Brahmani Brahmajanani Bahurupa Budharchita Prasavitri Prachandagyna Prathishta Prakata Krithi. Now let's see the word by word meaning. Brahmani. Brahma means one of the Trimurtis of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. So, Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the sustainer, and the Shiva Bhagavan is the destroyer of the evil forces. So, Brahmani means Devi is the Shakti part of Brahma, the creator. So, Devi takes the form of strength who she is taking care of Brahma, who is the creator. So, the strength behind the creator is Devi. That's why Devi has the name Brahmani. Brahma. Brahma means the one of the Trimurtis, the creator. So, Devi is herself the Brahma or the creator. That's why Devi has the name Brahmi. Janani. Janani means the mother of the universe. Devi is the power. Who is the mother? That's why Devi has the name Janani. Bahu roopa. Roopa means forms. Bahu means many, multiple. So Bahu roopa means Devi takes several forms to protect the devotees. Devi has taken the form of many different varieties where not only as God or goddess but also in different other animal forms also to protect the devotees. That's why Devi has the name Bahurupa. Budharchita. Buddha Archida. So, Archida means worshipped. Buddha means one who is very wise. So, Budharchita means Devi is the power who is being worshipped by the wise people. So, Devi is being worshipped by the enlightened power. That's why Devi has the name Budharchita. Prasavitri. Prasava means giving birth. Prasavitri means Devi has given birth to everything. Devi gives birth to the whole universe. That's why Devi has the name Prasavitri. Prachanda Aagna. So Prachanda. Prachanda means Chanda means inspiring. Prachanda means how inspiring. That means Devi is the supreme power who will be envious by all the others on seeing how the creation has been created by Devi. So, but also there is another thing. Devi is also very angry on the evil part of all the devotees. The devotees has good part as well as the evil part. So Devi is very angry in the evil part. That's why Devi has the name Prachanda. Aagna. Aagna means order. So Devi is the supreme power who is in giving orders to others to just like divine commandments to make sure everything is going smooth. That's why Devi has the name Aagna. Prathishta. Prathishta means Devi is the power who is the foundation of all the other things. So, Devi is being installed before even universe has been created. That's why Devi has the name Prathishta. Prakata Krithi. Prakata Akriti. Akriti means the form. Prakata means which is visible. So Prakata Krithi means Devi's form is clearly visible. Devi's purpose of taking the form is also clearly visible. So Devi is the manifest of all as the sense organs in the devotees. Every sense organs has been manifested by Devi. That's why Devi has the name Prakata Krithi. Brahmani, Bramhajanani, bahurupa, budharchita, Prasavitri, prachandagyna, prathishta, prakata Krithi. Brahmani Brahmajanani, bahurupa budharchita, Prasavitri prachandagyna, prathishta prakata Krithi. Brahmani Brahmajanani bahurupa budharchita, Prasavitri prachandagyna, prathishta prakata Krithi. Thank you.